Today, I'll show you how to use the discussions feature in Schoology to create interactive and engaging conversations with your students. Discussions are a great way to promote critical thinking and participation, whether it's a lesson topic, a group activity, or even a class debate. Let's get started. To create a discussion, you'll first want to navigate to the course in which you want your discussion to appear. And so from my course dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and select Science. From there, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the Materials tab, and then I'm going to click on Add Materials. Now, once I click Add Materials, about halfway down, I'm going to find the Add Discussions option. Once I'm in the Add Discussions window, I'll type in the description of my discussion. Now, for me, I like to put in my discussion question and prompt first, and then I go back in and put in my topic. And so this topic is around the ecosystem reading that my students were assigned yesterday. And so I want them to now engage in conversation about the reading. And so that's why I selected my title. I also have some options to format the text here. This is your standard text editor, of course, font size and spell check and alignment, as well as making the font bold or italic. But there are also other ways to really make this discussion more enhanced, right? So I can go here and attach a file. Perhaps I want to link that file, the reading that the students did on ecosystems, right in this discussion prompt. I can also add a link. Maybe there is a resource that I want students to be able to access to add more context to their discussion. Maybe I have some resources that I want to share right from my Schoology resources. I can even add an audio or video recording to share this description and prompt for a discussion with my younger or emerging readers. And then I can also embed some external tools here so that students can access. Maybe I have a Padlet or a BrainPop video or something of that nature that I want to bring in from an external tool. Now, once I've formatted and enhanced my discussion prompt and description, I want to then select a due date. And so I'm going to have my due date for October 31st. And then you can decide to enable grading, in which you'll need to complete this information here, whether you wanted which category it belonged under, as well as the grading period. You might want to decide to use a scale or a rubric there. You can even align it to learning objectives. And in addition to that, you have more options here for this discussion. You can choose to individually assign this discussion to specific students or specific groups of students. You can lock this discussion down so that it is no longer able to be added to. You can also decide here to publish this discussion to students at a particular time. So perhaps I'm creating this discussion, but I don't want to post it yet. And so I can have the option to publish it here. And then I can also allow members to see responses before participating or not. So if I want to have my students have original thought and not look at the discussions of others and forming their own opinions and ideas, I want to ensure that members do not have access to view the other posts until they actually post it on their own. I can decide whether or not I want this to be counted in a grade, and then I can save some time by copying this discussion from this course right into my other courses. So once I have filled in all of that necessary information, I'm simply going to click Create, and voila, I now have that discussion appearing here for my students. They'll see that little discussion icon, and then they'll be able to engage in that discussion as such. So in summary, what we've done here is we have navigated to the Materials tab and added that new discussion. We've created a title and a prompt and then added resources to our discussion. We've enabled grading and we've adjusted the interactive settings. And then we posted the discussion for students to access and participate in. Using discussions in Schoology is a powerful way to engage and encourage critical thinking and promote classroom interaction. Thanks so much for watching.